Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a really simple yet really pretty set of blue nails. So the first color that I'm using is in the color Petersburg Blue, which is by D&D. As you guys know, I get my D&D gel polishes from my local nail supply store. They do come in a dual set, which means it comes with a regular nail polish and a gel polish. I only pay $7.50. There's websites that sell them for like no more than $8, and I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description. And as you can see, the brush that I'm using to clean around the cuticle area is actually the gel brush by Mia Secret. My other one was starting to get, or not getting, but it was just a little too small for me because I ordered the wrong size, and that one was literally the perfect size, so I just started using it. But again, this is in the color Petersburg Blue. So for the ring finger, I'm going to be using that same blue, but I'm going to be doing the flame design. As you can see, I always start with the first flame in the middle, and then I do two more on the sides, and then I also give the middle one like a little baby flame over on the side. And this is usually what I do every time that I do a flame design, just because that's what's the easiest for me. But I know they also have like flame stencils that you can use for this, or like little nail stickers, so you could also use that as well, whatever makes it easier for you. But I'm just using my little nail art brush. I'm using my nail polish plate, which is what I put my nail polish on, and then I'm just drawing the flames on the nails. And then of course we're going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other hand. Alrighty, so we did 2 coats of the blue gel polish on both nails, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just outline the flames with a white polish. And this polish is by Broadway. I get these from my local Dollar General, and the brand is Broadway. So I'll be sure to leave the link down in the description. But again, these I just get from my local Dollar General, and they're only $1. And again, we're just outlining the flames. I'm also going to go in with my Madam Glam Gel Top Coat, which is a non-cleanse top coat. And I'm going to go ahead and do that on this index finger because I'm going to be doing a chrome on that one. Remember that when you're using chrome, you want to make sure that you are using a non-cleanse top coat. If not, the chrome will not stick to the nail. And I'm only going to cure that for 60 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this hand. We're outlining the flames in the white. And then we're going to do the top coat on the index finger. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the chrome with my makeup wedge sponge, and this is like a bluish purplish chrome, and I've never actually used this one. It's more like a flaky chrome, I could say. So honestly, I don't even know what brand it is. I just know that I've had it for a really long time, and I had to literally dig in the drawer for it. But it's just like a blue chrome, and we're only doing that on the index fingers. And remember, we applied a non-cleansed top coat before we applied the top coat. And then after this, we can go ahead and just clean around the cuticle area to remove any of that excess chrome. And then after that, we're gonna apply the Madam Glam gel top coat on the rest of the nails, and we're gonna go ahead and cure both hands for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. So again, really nice and simple and really pretty. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNo32, and I'll see you guys next time.